right. Welcome back to another episode of The Garage.
This time, we've got
Free LS.
donor car right here. So, we got a Impala SS that was about to hit the junkyard due to a bad trans. It's been sitting for about 2 years, and
Let's get this flipped
instead
around
we're
here.
going to rip out the engine.
See. Oh, well, let me flip it around.
So we acquired this car from my cousin. He's had this car for a while. Engine never ever gave him any issues. He took all right care of it. I mean, he did maintenance on it, but once the transmission gave out, he just parked it and left it. So it had been sitting on a neighbor's driveway that he was actually paying this neighbor for the spot, and this neighbor needed the space, and so he was about to junk it, and I just happened to call him at the right time. He had told me about the issue, and I really briefly mentioned, acquiring the engine from it, and he was like, yeah, sure, but it wasn't too sure if he was serious, and I called him up about a week ago, and he was like, yeah, dude, just take it. Like, I'm gonna junk it, so I might as well take the engine and put it to good use. So we're here now.
All aluminum LS4 out of an SS Impala.
Yep, LS4. For those who don't know, it's got LS6 heads, factory. It makes about 303 horsepower. So it's nothing crazy right now, but it's a good engine that we could probably build up to do a little more.
Comment down below. Let us know what you want to see us put it in or what you want to see us build. In the meantime, we're going to get started. Show you guys the interior of this beauty. Luckily, there is no rat turds or any kind of hantavirus crap like the roadkill guys have to deal with. But still not too bad. All right, we're gonna go on an adventure. We're gonna go try to find this latch. All the way back here.
Twenty minutes later.
Uh-oh. Oh. There's no props for the trunk. Might have just done all that for nothing. So, just pulled the sub wires out of the car, hoping to use them. And his cousin is insanely lucky this car did not just burn to the ground. Look at that. That's right where it was going in the firewall, too.
He paid someone to do that. That's crazy.
He paid someone for this.
That's crazy. That's why I don't trust people with cars, man. That's why I just do everything myself.
It was burned everywhere. This thing was right up against the manifolds. That's insane. Hey, that's probably what was grounding out. Oh, no, this is disconnected. Never mind.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Take you guys down underneath the car so you guys can see what I gotta hack here. Make sure I get into between the jack stands here. Okay. So, right there is the collector. So, that's, yeah, very difficult to get to.
Don't put so much pressure on the blade. Let the blade...
Don't tell me what to do.
Fuck, I'm still not all the way through? God damn.
Shit.
20 minutes later.
There we go. Sheesh. What the fuck? What is this? It's got like some kind of... This is double walled. I wasn't...
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Wow. I thought I was an idiot. I was like, no, there's no way. No, there it is. So this is why this is so tough to cut. There's 2 layers to it for some stupid reason. Probably heat shielding or something, but still. Sheesh. Lost his cut. Motor mount bolts or nuts are off the bolts. There's really nothing else to do down here, honestly. There we go. See how this is coming.
Beautiful.
Nice and labeled. Only a little bit of mess. Not bad. Not bad so far. No catastrophic oil spills, no coolant on the ground yet.
Yeah.
So far, so good. For now. It's okay, I'll just go def this time, but
Yeah.
What?
What?
You gotta just hope the tinnitus goes away.
Huh?
Huh?
Exactly.
Yeesh. What you say?
I can't hear you.
You good?
Yeah, buck.
That's why. Are you okay?
Yeah.
What's up?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh.
It fell.
I didn't see it go through.
Yeah. The moment it bucked, it fell.
Ew. Yay, no more death wheel. Hold on, let me start grinding again, then you can undo the fuel line.
You get this back.
in. You gotta start cutting some stuff, dude.
Oh no, I've been cutting.
Good. Think about the next guy, the pick apart. Fuck that guy. I want this car out of my garage.
Snip, snip, motherfucker.
Yeah, look at that.
I wish these things were sharper, bro. Yeah, there we go. See, crimped it.
What was it about that leaking?
Yeah, well, it essentially crimped it.
I'm so strong. What was that? One more time.
What else do we need to do? There's gonna be a return line.
Get this thing out of the car.
This is the pump. The line goes down to the pump. Okay, so this is the this is the other line right here.
Oh my god.
Check it out. And then we'll start pulling. At that point, we just have to undo all the motor mounts, which are
They're
all
already
undone.
they're already undone.
And it's just pulling it up.
Yank it.
Man, I got something dripping on me over here, man.
Watch where you're putting your foot.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hell yeah. You know what? It would have been so much easier if the freaking, fuck it. Hand me the cutters. Oh, wait. I forgot they're right here.
You don't want the tin snips instead?
Nah, they don't. This is steel line, not aluminum. So it's a bitch.
I would offer to get that wheel off for you,
But
I
yeah.
cross-threaded.
Yep, I know. I
So-
know. That's why I was like, bro. Are you kidding me? There we go. There's one cut.
Motor falls out of car.
Ah, it's leaking on me. The thing is, it's all cold. On
Pan.
this side right here. Well, at this point, there's no more oil.
It's fine. Look, we have put less fluid on the ground than just about any episode of Roadkill or Roadkill Garage, so I consider that an accomplishment.
That is true. Well, you know what? The coolant lines haven't not done. Now that I'm thinking about it.
I spoke too soon.
Yeah, that's gonna be a mess. Oh, you're gonna see how fucking soaked my arm is. Ah! Oh well. Oh my god, it's all the way down my shirt. I didn't even feel it right down my shirt. Ah, no. I'm gonna get it all of my marks up. No. Nah. So, oh, my watch is gonna get covered. No.
I was prepared to follow you all the way to the bathroom.
Still can. Alright, let's see.
It's not that bad. You're fine.
Yeah. Oh no, these pants will be ruined.
It's fine.
These are my only nice pair of pants. I don't know why I wore them.
Why would you wear your only nice pants? You knew what we were doing.
Because I didn't want to get all fucking Singer and Tesla out like I usually am.
You knew what we were doing more than I did. Get her out. It's coming.
Shake it, see what's hitting. Dude, they're right here. What are you talking about? It's not that far. It's literally right here. Okay. Give me one of those extensions.
Yeah, what's it look like? A 15 or a...
I don't know. I can't see. There's no light. Yeah, 15.
Okay, 15's on here.
Oh, this is too much. It's overkill. Just this one long one's fine. And then, can I get the regular ratchet? I know you love the electric, but you gotta learn to use the regular one.
No, cross-thread everything.
No. I swear to God, if you keep saying that when we're building something, I'm gonna get pissed the fuck off at you. I'm gonna actually beat your ass.
I hope you know I don't do it intentionally.
Uh-huh.
It's that bad?
I
You
don't
think
believe you. I don't believe you. Come on, man.
Shut up.
You doubt me, bro.
So they were not...
They're not far in,
no,
bro.
they're not bolts. I assumed they were bolts.
They're nuts.
I assumed that you would have to get on the back of them like a typical exhaust manifold.
Hey, the Chevy engineers are stupid, but not that stupid.
I don't know, bro. They put a sideways mounted front wheel drive V8 in an Impala.
Remember how you wanted to cut everything?
What about it?
We don't need to cut shit.
See, aren't you happy I cut it now so you could get that out easy?
Nah, I could have easily just fucking undone it back there. Drop the whole thing and save this fucking cat. Actually, no, this cat's fine.
The
Look
cat's
at that.
fine. What are
Damn.
you tripping on? The cat's fine.
Okay, what else? Is there another motor mount?
No. On your right, that one's already undone. On the left, the one that's in the wheel well's done.
I'm just looking it over.
No, I'm pointing them out, just in case so you see something I don't, which you typically do. But I think that's it. Excuse me.
Yeah. No.
Hey! Get this fucking thing out of the cord. This damn car. I'm so sick of this car.
Yeah, look at it, it's coming out.
Get stuck on.
It's coming out.
Get stuck on one more bolt.
Probably the hoses are required. Wait, stop. Let's start pulling it back a little bit.
No, it's right here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's fine.
Oh, there it went. That was it.
So when you find that big ass hurt finally drops, and it hurts the whole way out, and it finally goes. You're like, oh.
I feel like I just caught the biggest fish ever.
That's what I said actually the first time I pulled the engine. I was like, I feel like I caught a fish.
What are we hitting?
This is how we were using.
Yeah, it's fine. Don't be kidding with that. All the Chevy fans watching this going, oh my god! You called your SS. How dare you? They're bringing the cow. Oh my god! I need that for my car.
Oh, stop. This thing coming.
It's fine.
No, snap.
Let it rip out.
It won't. It's the thick ass fucking drop key thing. It's not gonna rip. There. Go. You're good now.
I mean, we're totally good now, actually. Come on, baby.
Okay, there is one line still connected.
Come on.
Power steering. Just cut it. Wait, it's right there. It's connected still. Just cut it. Cut it.
It's metal. Crimped itself.
I mean, it's already cut. Can you go up the main one? That max.
Oh, wrong thing.
We're good. Just pull it.
Be gone! Impala!
And caveman. No, Booker. Yeah. Finally.
Now,
Now I can go home.
what do we put it in?